The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Archocean and make your JEE Mains B.Arch and NATA dreams come true. Download the app now.
Question number 1. Which architect firm has been appointed by Adani Group for preparing the draft city master plan of Dharavi redevelopment project? A. Make Architects. B. HCP Design. C. Hafiz Contractor. D. Architecture Discipline. Answer is option C. Hafiz Contractor. Question number 2. Which award is given to recognize and encourage young scientists who made an exceptional contribution in given field of science and technology? A. Shanti Swaroop Bhatnagar VYSSB Award. B. Vigyan Teen VT Award. C. India Science Award. D. C.V. Raman Birth Centenary Award. Answer is option A. Shanti Swaroop Bhatnagar VYSSBB Award. Question number 3. Which city has been named the cleanest in India for the 7th consecutive year? A. Mumbai. B. Gandhinagar. C. Indore. D. Nagpur. Answer is option C. Indore. Question number 4. Ganga Sagar Mela, India's second largest fair after Kumbh Mela, is celebrated in which state of India? A. Mizoram. B. West Bengal. C. Goa. D. Karnataka. Answer is option B. West Bengal. Question number 5. Kala Ram Mandir, which was recently seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Telangana. B. Rajasthan. C. Maharashtra. D. Odisha. Answer is option C. Maharashtra. Question number 6. Who is the main architect of the Ram Mandir, Ayodhya? A. Pramukh Swami Mahara. B. Arun Yogiraj. C. Subhash Bhoite. D. Chandrakant Sompura. Answer is option D. Chandrakant Sompura. Question number 7. Which two countries are involved in the Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport Project, KMTTP, recently seen in the news? A. India and Bangladesh. B. India and Bhutan. C. India and Myanmar. D. India and Nepal. Answer is option C. India and Myanmar. Question No. 8. Recently, which bank has approved a $200 million loan for Brahmaputra River project in Assam? A. Asian Development Bank. B. World Bank. C. NABARD. D. HDFC Bank. Answer is option A. Asian Development Bank. Question No. 9. What is the name of the Sikkim's first railway station, recently inaugurated by Prime Minister of India? A. Gangtok Railway Station. B. Namchi Railway Station. C. Rangpo Railway Station. D. Peling Railway Station. Answer is option C. Rangpo Railway Station. Question number 10. Vikramaditya Vedic clock, recently mentioned in the news, is located in which city? A. Ujjain. B. Indore. C. Bikaner. D. Lucknow. Answer is option A. Ujjain. Question No. 11. What is the theme of World TB Day 2024? A. Invest to end TB. Save lives. B. Yes. We can end TB. C. The clock is ticking. D. Wanted leaders for a TB-free world. Answer is option C. The clock is ticking. Question number 12. Kokrajhar-Gelefu rail link, recently seen in the news, is connected with which one of the following countries? A. India and Nepal. B. India and Bhutan. C. India and Myanmar. D. India and Bangladesh. Answer is option B. India and Bhutan. Question number 13. National Buildings Construction Corporation functions under which union ministry? A. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. B. Ministry of Rural Development. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. Ministry of Finance. Answer is option A. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Question No. 14. Mahim Fort, which was seen in the news, is located in which state? UT. A. Maharashtra. B. New Delhi. C. Gujarat. D. Karnataka. Answer is option A. Maharashtra. Question number 15. Big Ben is the famous clock located in which country? A. USA. B. UK. C. Australia. D. France. Answer is option B. UK. Question number 16. City of Dead is a UNESCO World Heritage Site situated in which country? A. Egypt. B. USA. C. Greece. D. Turkey. Answer is option A. Egypt. Question number 17. Kakrapar Atomic Power Project (CAP) answer is being constructed in which state? UT. Sompura. A. Gujarat. B. West Bengal. C. Odisha. D. Jharkhand. Answer is option A. Gujarat. Question number 18. Bogibeel, where the foundation stone for the Inland Waterways Transport Terminal was laid, is in which state? A. West Bengal. B. Assam. C. Uttarakhand. D. Gujarat. Answer is option B. Assam. Question number 19. Utkela Airport has been inaugurated in which state? UT. A. Odisha. B. West Bengal. C. Assam. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Answer is option A. Odisha. Question No. 20. Silakyara Tunnel, which was seen in the news, is located in which state? A. Jharkhand. B. Uttarakhand. C. Assam. D. West Bengal. Answer is option B. Uttarakhand. Question number 21. India's first 6-lane steel slag-based road has been constructed in which state? A. Odisha. B. Jharkhand. C. Telangana. D. Gujarat. Answer is option D. Gujarat. Question No. 22. Which country released the Sustainable Green Airports Mission? A. India. B. Sri Lanka. C. Bangladesh. D. New Zealand. Answer is option A. India. Question number 23. How many zero-shadow day occurs in a year for places between Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer is option B. 2. Question number 24. Where is the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum located? A. USA. B. Japan. C. China. D. Russia. Answer is option B. Japan. Question number 25. What is the name of the central program launched to promote artificial intelligence in India and beyond? A. Bharatal. B. INDII. C. BHI Main. D. VIKSI. Answer is option B. India AI. Question No. 26. Which union ministry announced the Panch Karma Sankalp? A. Ministry of MSME. B. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. C. Ministry of Jal Shakti. D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Answer is option B. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Question No. 27. Kudankulam Nuclear Power Project is located in which Indian state? A. Assam. B. Uttarakhand. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Odisha. Answer is option C. Tamil Nadu. Question number 28. Which company has built Starship, the most powerful rocket ever built to take humans to the moon? A. NASA. B. ISRO. C. SpaceX. D. Blue Virgin. Answer is option C, SpaceX. Question number 29. Which Asian country is set to launch the digital highway network? A. India. B. Sri Lanka. C. Nepal. D. Bangladesh. Answer is option A, India. Question number 30. Which country launched the ChatGPT rival GigaChat chatbot? A. USA. B. India. C. Russia. D. Israel. Answer is option C, Russia.
The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with Archocean and make your JEE Mains B.Arch and NATA dreams come true. Download the app now.